If you're a new CITS customer, or it's the first time you've used the CITS in a very long time, this quick guide shows you in 3 easy stages how to set up an impedance test. Before you start, make sure you connect the CITS cable and the CITS probe to channel 1 of the CITS. Then go ahead and from the toolbar, select the CITS setup wizard, either from the toolbar, or you can select the setup wizard from the board setup wizard menu. Once your cable and probe are connected to the CITS880s, you select the correct channel in the drop-down menu, the impedance of the test you want to measure, and then you hold the probe in the air this time, not connected to the board yet, and press next, and this will establish the length of the probe and the probe length in the test automatically for you. Now you place the probe on the test coupon, make sure that the ground side of the probe is connected to the ground side of the trace, and once you've got it firmly connected to the test coupon, press next, and this will establish the length of the coupon for you automatically. In step 1 and step 2, the CITS determined the length of the probe and the length of the trace. Now in step 3, the measured trace is shown on screen in the dialog in front of you, and you can take the cursors and move them left or right, and you can use those to set the test limits that you will use in the actual test. So you either set those from the 50 to 80% of the trace, or the most flat region in the trace, or the area of the trace that's been specified by your customer. Click Finish and your test will be set up and complete. So now you've successfully set up your first test, and you can go along to manually edit it or fine-tune the test that you've set up, or add additional tests into the CITS environment. You can do that manually with the editor, or you can reuse the wizard if you choose. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions or require any further assistance, please do contact your local Polar office.